Hi, I'm Christopher Dunnigan. This is HandmadeInVermont.com. Today we're checking out the Hubbardton Forge and Counter table lamp. So this is more than just a table lamp. This is incredible sculpture. It's sculpture in the forging of the metal. It's also sculpture in how they forge the acrylic light guide. And how this works, it's a low voltage LED. There's an LED in the base of this pushing light up through this acrylic that basically acts kind of like a fiber optic. It has little tiny air bubbles inside the acrylic, and what happens is the light's going to come up, hit those air bubbles, and reflect off, so it's going to push light out. It's not just pushing light into it. Let's look at it from a couple different ways. See, it's rather beautiful. Kind of look at it that way. Base is round, so this is going to be a 7.9-inch diameter footprint. The height of the fixture itself, the lamp, is 15 inches high. It's kind of an oval. It's 10.5 by 11. Put it a little closer to you guys. So how this works, again, is you have a low voltage. There's a little piece here that plugs in, very easy, 6-foot cord. There's a secondary cord right here. So this part of it is going to be kind of a transformer that's going to be bringing the voltage down because, again, it's low voltage. And there's a touch dimmer. So I have a picture of it next to me, and it's hiding right there. You see it in there? It's a little silver disc, and what happens is you're going to basically just touch it. So you can touch it and you can dim it down, you can dim it back up again, turn it on, turn it off. It's like magic. Look at that. Very cool. So this is going to be using a 7-watt, which is about equivalent of a 40-watt bulb. That is 3,000 Kelvin, so that's considered warm white, about 250 lumens. This is heavy forging at its best. So if you watch my Finishes Help Guide video and I talk about heavy forging versus non-heavy forging, this is heavy forging. So it's basically probably one of the best examples of Hubbardton Forge's work that you can find. Let's check it out with the lights off. Pretty cool, huh? So let's check it out this way so you can really see that light coming through. Look at that. Okay, and remember it's dimmable, so let's kind of dim it up and down a little bit. Going down, and back up again. Pretty cool. Oop, now it's off. There you go. Back on again. Okay. So this really gets my vote as one of Hubbardton Forge's greatest pieces. Let's get into finishes now. If you're on the HandmadeInVermont.com website, look over on this side of the screen. Midway down, you're going to see a tab. It's going to say Finishes Help Guide. Click on that for me. There's going to be a video on there of me talking to you guys about the differences in Hubbardton Forge finishes and how they can look on different types of forging. I'm going to be talking about a chart a little farther down on the page. You'll see it next to me here. It's going to kind of go over the differences between heavy forging and non-heavy forging, and it'll be talked about in that video. So it's really important that you kind of watch the video, use the chart. You can click on that chart on different things. So you can click on dark smoke and a big page will pop up and show you lots of different things in dark smoke. Click on burnished steel or natural iron, it'll do the same thing. But it's really important that you understand how Hubbardton Forge's finishes are kind of divided into translucent and opaque and how they can look on different fixtures. Our showroom in Vermont has we're up to 400 Hubbardton Forge fixtures spread across 2 floors. We have a What's on Display page. It's way up there in those red tabs again, so click on that and you can see what we have to show you. That changes all the time because we're always adding things as they come out. Showroom's open every day except Sunday from 11 to 6. We have an amazing clearance center here too. Clearance center stuff is 75% off MSRP. It's returns, discontinued things, and showroom samples. If you were coming to visit us, bring a good-sized vehicle, something like a big SUV or maybe a small truck or something like that, because you might find something in the clearance center that you want to take home, and it's a lot of fun to go through. 75% off MSRP is an amazing bargain, so you should really take advantage of it if you can. Like I said, we're open every day except Sunday from 11 to 6. I'm here every day except Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. You can call us at 802-446-2400 during business hours. You can email us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all the time. We love to answer emails. When you buy your Hubbardton Forge fixtures from HandmadeInVermont.com, shipping is free to every state except Alaska and Hawaii. There's no tax if we ship out of the state of Vermont, and we're the only dealer with 90-day returns and no restocking fees. No one else even comes close to that. Some larger items are non-returnable. We'll always tell you about that. It'll be in the description thing, that part of the description underneath on the very bottom. So keep an eye out for that. We also offer a rush program. Hubbardton Forge generally takes about 3 to 4 weeks to get product out. They don't stock anything. That's how you're going to get all your finishes, your adjustable ranges to play with, all those things. We can cut that time in half, and it's super inexpensive. If you want to know more, drop a quick email, and I can walk you through the whole thing, okay? So, if you guys have any other questions, let me know. Love to see you in our showroom sometime, and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.